Hey guys, this is Mike from Mike's Paint and Body, Mike's Auto Sales, coming back at you with this 2014 Corvette Stingray. Nice. Yes, this is a beautiful car, ladies and gentlemen. With only 20,000 miles, straight from Florida. Drove it myself. What a ride it was. Let me tell you, this thing has got 7-speed manual transmission. When you're cruising on the interstate, you're barely tacking 1600 RPM. This thing gets 27 miles a gallon. That is, if you're not getting on it. Sometimes it's kind of hard not to. Coming up on the interior, show you a couple of cool little features I never knew a Corvette had. This is one of them. It's got like a storage compartment hidden away. And Caitlin, I think, approves. There you go. There's a thumbs up right there. This car will do 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, beating a Ferrari, a Porsche, and a Mercedes. And I'm sure Chevrolet must be pretty proud of that. This car would be great for someone who is constantly late for work. I'm pretty sure this thing will get you there on time. And they have a nice little convenient storage place to put the top, and you can do it with one person. Very easy to do for those nice summertime days and nights. Well, what can I say? All good videos must come to an end. Come check out this beautiful Corvette at Mike's Auto Sales, 757-227-5640. Thanks for watching.